Welcome to Bedtime Stories. Today we can read Run Down Racecar, a Disney storybook. Thank you for liking and subscribing. Doc and Dory are getting ready to race. Dory puts Radio Racer at the start.
So high I'm hypnotized. What's up is down, what's left is right. Chasing stars and holding you. I can't see the end, but we'll see it through. Times don't fly too high. Be sure to keep the ground in sight. Fly forever if you keep it tight. Love the world but keep the sky on your mind.
Now you'll get written the batters that says, I'll fix Radio before friend Lucy gets here for the big race, Doc adds. Doc takes Radio in an Arctic while Dory naps first. Circle begins to grow, then mother and all the toys come to life. So sees what Doc has her hair. Radio Racer says Shirley, I am her number one fan. I'm worried why it's being card. He is the greatest racer. He can race his way across the backyard. You happen to be going as fast as usual. That explains. I'm worried something might be wrong with you.
So high I'm hypnotized. What's up is down, what's left is right. Chasing stars and holding you. I can't see the end, but we'll see it through. Dangerous times, don't fly too high. Be sure to keep the ground in sight. Fly forever if you keep it tight. Love the world, but keep the sky on your mind.